Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the leaderboard on the Monopoly Go application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. New, click to the Friends button next to the album option at the bottom of the screen. And here go to the third option, the leaderboard. And here you can check the Friends leaderboards, the local leaderboards, and the global. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.